Hello guys, check this thing out. This thing is a beast. A 2012 BMW X6 M series. The M stands for motorsport, and it has way more power than the rest of them. This is a twin turbo V8 4.4 liter. This thing produces 555 horsepower. It is an absolute monster. Super fun to drive, of course. Giant brakes hiding in there. Those disc brakes are huge. Let's check this out. Let's start it up. This is a cold start. Gauges are beautiful. Look at that. Let's see what's under the hood. Much with the covers, but under all this, let's see if I can pull this off here. Here we go. Get it off. See those turbochargers hiding under here? The exhaust on this car is on the top. This is the first time they've done that. The intake manifolds are below here. The theory is heat rises. The theory is the heat rises and escapes, and they can funnel it out. Absolute beast. All right, and the repair we're doing on this thing is in for an oil leak. Here's the top of the engine here. We have all the stuff apart. The turbochargers are out. Here's the exhaust manifolds here. And right here is a oil return plate for the turbochargers. So here's the oil feed. Oil goes through the turbochargers and then returns the excess hot oil back to the engine block in here. And this block, under all this stuff, leaks on these cars. It'll leak on the back end towards the bell housing. A lot of people will mistake it for an upper oil pan leak, but that thing there is about a $35,000 to $4,000 job, depending on where you're at. Here's the old one. And all that drama for this little gasket here, which is non-replaceable. You replace this whole piece. It's fused on from the factory, that gasket. Here's the turbochargers here. They're out. There's two of them. There's one. Pretty cool. And here's the oil return pipe for that used hot oil that goes back into that block. Guys, thanks for joining me today. Please like and subscribe. I have some other awesome videos. If you've ever thought of opening up your own shop, stay tuned. We're gonna have a link below in a couple months here. Guys, if you're a mechanic, you have the skills already to make real money. I'll show you how to do that, how to open up your own shop, how to have an awesome place and sign your own paycheck. Happy motoring to you.